For the weather, Alex joins us.
Thanks very much, Harriet. Hello there. There was some sunshine this morning, but it's now turned somewhat cloudy, and that's really how it's shaping up for the afternoon. Quite a lot of cloud out there and also some patchy rain. Not a great deal, but it's tied in to a cold front that is slowly making its way across the country. So you'll find that this afternoon it stays pretty cloudy out there. It's not particularly chilly though. Temperatures around 14 or 15 degrees, so not too bad. And there's a possibility of some light and patchy rain really this afternoon and into the evening. Then overnight there will be a lot of clear sky out there, so it's going to bring our temperatures down, and it certainly could be cold enough for a touch of ground frost in places. Temperatures generally down to 3 to 6 Celsius in towns and cities, and it certainly could be colder out in the countryside. So then we have a ridge of high pressure building in behind for tomorrow, so that promises some fine weather, and we'll keep that fine weather into Thursday as well before the next cold front pushes down from the north. So for tomorrow, some patchy cloud around at first, but we should see some decent spells of sunshine, and with light southerly winds it should feel pleasantly warm up to 16 Celsius, which is 61 Fahrenheit. And then looking ahead to Thursday, a similar sort of picture. It's Friday where we get this cold front swinging into action. That is going to bring us a slightly cooler slice of air. So what we'll find is a couple of days with bright sunny conditions and some reasonable temperatures. The chance of some rain on that cold front, not a great deal, but it will bring our temperatures down. Although it's looking largely settled into the weekend, it is going to stay on the cooler side. And in terms of overnight temperatures, there's certainly several nights over the next few nights where it is cold enough for a touch of frost. Our mildest night on the chart, Thursday night. So yes, some sunshine is going to be back tomorrow and Thursday, and then it's looking a little cooler beyond that. Harriet. Brilliant.
I remember making calls on those phones. You know, it's incredible, really, to think that wasn't that long ago.
Different world, Susie, it really was. So we had the sunshine this morning, but it did not last. It turned pretty cloudy, and we have been contending with a lot of cloud today and a few spots of rain. So our fairly overcast skies here in Cambridge and on the Norfolk coast. But the good news is tomorrow is looking brighter. The sunshine will return. It will be a little bit misty and foggy to start with, but that looks hopeful that it will lift fairly swiftly, and then some long spells of sunshine into the afternoon. Now today's weather has been really shaped by this cold front that's been crossing the country, introduced the cloud. It brought a few spots of light rain and drizzle here and there. There's still the possibility of the odd light shower this evening, but that should clear away, and then we'll be into some clear skies. So it is going to be a little bit chilly overnight tonight, and we're also likely to see mist and fog patches forming particularly across the west of the region. So in towns and cities, temperatures could be down as low as 2 or 3 degrees, a chilly start to the day, and the risk of a touch of frost. Tomorrow, though, high pressure is going to build in, and it's going to be with us for a couple of days before the next weather front pushes in for the end of the week. So for tomorrow, once that mist and fog has cleared, we should see some decent spells of sunshine into the afternoon. Could be a little bit of cloud at times, but actually in the sunshine with light southerly winds, it should feel warmer than today. Temperatures getting to 16 Celsius, which is 61 Fahrenheit, and those winds mostly light across the region. So with that high pressure with us, we'll have a similar sort of picture for Thursday. Some mist and fog to clear first thing, but some decent spells of sunshine into the afternoon, and the peak of the temperatures could really be on Thursday at around 17 degrees. Now, one change for Thursday is we'll start to see the winds picking up from the southwest, and that's tied into the next cold front, which is going to push through on Thursday night and into Friday. So it brings us breezy conditions. It also brings some rain, and there could be some showers left behind on Friday. So we've got 2 days of fine and dry weather and feeling reasonable, quite warm in the sunshine. And then we've got that cold front pushing in. It will introduce colder air. So the chance of some rain into Friday, some showers around and some sunny spells. But actually the outlook is fairly settled. We'll see some more dry weather into the weekend. And yes, it will be a bit cooler. It looks as though we'll keep those cool temperatures for a few days and into the start of next week. And a check on the overnight temperatures. We're still not free of frosts by any means. There are several nights where we're down to 2 or 3 degrees. So we can look forward to the sunshine again tomorrow. Susie.
Thank you very much, Alex. I think I showed my age by calling it British Telecom as well, which it hasn't been for a while.
Hello. It was pretty cloudy across the region today, but tomorrow will bring us more sunshine. Overnight tonight, there's still a fair bit of cloud. Could be the odd spot of rain, but that should clear away and there'll be some clear spells developing, but also some mist and fog patches forming. Temperatures could be quite chilly, 2 or 3 degrees as we start the day tomorrow, but a ridge of high pressure will bring us some fine weather after we've cleared that mist and fog. Could be a little bit slow to clear in places, but we should see some long spells of sunshine into the afternoon. And in the sunshine, temperatures warming up, so we could get to around 16 degrees. And a similar sort of picture for Thursday, more sunny weather on the way after a misty and foggy start, but we have got a weather front that brings us some rain into Friday and some cooler temperatures heading into the weekend.